Good afternoon, sir. I am Trixie Ann Rosete from BSIT Block E. I'm here to demonstrate the VLAN with access port. First, we need to insert a switch with 24 ports. Then, switch number 1. Switch number 1. Then switch number 2. Then add 4 PCs for 1 VLAN. In PC number 1, we need to connect in switch with fast Ethernet 01. And then in PC number 2, we need to connect the fast Ethernet in switch with fast Ethernet 02. And PC number 3, fast Ethernet 3. And PC number 4, fast Ethernet number 4. Then we have VLAN number 1. VLAN 1. Then we have a VLAN number 2, which is consists of 4 PCs. PC number 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then yung PC number 5, 6, 7, 8 is connected po siya sa switch ng fast Ethernet to 6, 7, 8, and 9. VLAN number 2. Napawisan na si Sam. Then yung VLAN number 3 naman po is consists of 4 PCs, which is PC 8, 9, 10, 11. Connected po siya sa switch with fast Ethernet numbers 11, 12, 13, and 14. 11, 12, 13, and And sa VLAN number 4 naman po is consists of 3 PCs which include PC number 12, 13, and 14. And connected po siya sa switch with fast Ethernet cord 16 to 20. 16, 17, and 18. Then sa switch number 2, we need to create VLAN number 1. Consists of 4 PCs. Same as sa switch number 1 po, mag-start tayo ulit sa fast Ethernet 1 to 5. Then, same lang din po ng process sa VLAN 2. Fast Ethernet 6 to 10 connected to switch number 2. Then, PC 1, 2, 3. And VLAN number 3 is connected to fast Ethernet 11 to 15. And 13. Then same process lang po sa VLAN number 4. Connected siya sa switch with fast Ethernet 16 to 20. 18, then 19. Then we need to connect switch number 1 into switch number 2. So switch number 1 is consists of fast Ethernet 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Then sa switch number 2 po, VLAN number 2 is 5 to 10. 5 to 10. Then sa VLAN number 3 is 11 to 15. Then last is VLAN number 4, which is fast Ethernet 16 to 20. 16 to 20. Then save as. VLAN. VLAN access port. VLAN access port. In the next video, trunk port connection naman po siya. Pag sinabing trunk port connection, yung connection po niya is 1 Ethernet lang into switch 1. Kailangan po siya ng fast Ethernet 1 hanggang sa switch 2, fast Ethernet hanggang 20. Yung itong fast Ethernet 1 into 20, connected na po yung VLAN dito, and magra-run na po gagana na po itong VLAN na to sa pamamagitan ng isang trunk port.